Halfway through the bowling league season, Stewart has 34 strikes. He averages 2 strikes per game. There's that word per. That reminds me to multiply. Write and solve an inequality to find how many more games it will take for Stewart to have at least 61 strikes for the league record. I have circled the word find. That helps me with my let statement. Let G equal how many more games. Now I know what I'm looking for. Okay, so let's read it again. He has 34 strikes. He averages 2 strikes per game. So I need 2 times the number of games. But he already has 34. So he's going to have 34, and we're going to assume he gets 2 per game. How many more games will it take for him to have at least? Remember, least makes me think less, but it's greater than or equal to 61. This is a 2-step equation that we've translated because he had 34 and he's going to continue to play. So to that, he's going to add 2 strikes per game. When I'm solving a 2-step equation, I put my x in a box. I see that I have a positive 34, so I'm going to subtract 34 from both sides. 2x is greater than or equal to 61 minus 34, which is 27. I'm going to divide both sides by 2 to get x is greater than or equal to 27 divided by 2 is 13.5. 13.5 games. Now, you can't really play half of a game, but statistically you can. So he would really need to play 14 games, but we're going to graph the 13 because it never says, it says it will take how many more games. It says how many more games? 12 and a half, 13 and a half, 14 and a half. We're going to graph the actual problem and shade anything greater than 13 and a half. But we are going to take note that he will need to play 14 full games to get the record. Okay, so we've graphed our actual answer, but we have stated that we know you can't really play half of a game. Like, okay, game's over. You made the league record. Woohoo.